Hey there, today I have this 50-foot garden hose with sprayer that was sent to me from the brand, so let's take a closer look at it. The hose is made out of both PVC and woven material. So the web material outside here I can actually pinch, and inside is the actual PVC material. So here's an up-close look at the fittings of the hose. And they are compatible with most American brands. This also comes with additional washers, which is nice. The nozzle has a nice grip handle to it and a on-off that you just slide up or down. The outside is clearly labeled with the sprays. And there's what the front of it looks. It turns nice and easy. This hose is a good weight at just under 4 pounds, so I don't feel like I have to lug it around all over the place. I like that there are so many spray options to choose from. I can just choose the one that best fits whatever need I have, whether it's watering the garden or washing the car. The lever on the top makes it easy to get the perfect water pressure that I need. This hose is designed to be resistant to kinks, twists, and bursting. So far, I'm not noticing any issues when I'm dragging it across the ground in regards to rips, tears, or snags. If you are looking for a lightweight hose, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.